Friends, I am glad to be here this afternoon and spend some time with you all. A happy occasion has brought all of you to Karnataka. We are still in the glow of the great Mahabhisheka. It has for some time lifted us above ourselves. We have been breathing in a rarer and purer atmosphere. This occasion has also vividly brought home to us that all India is one. We have been able to come together though we belong to different states and speak different languages and have different customs. We are all partners in the task of building up this country. We thought that since the happy occasion had brought you to Karnataka, we could meet and think together. I want to invite you all to have a look at the industrial potential of Karnataka. The progress of any part of this country contributes to the progress of the entire country. So I hope you will consider the opportunities for industrial development which Karnataka offers. The great champion of industries, Dr. Visvesvaraya, belonged to this state. For several decades now, the state has been industrially very progressive. I am sure during your brief stay, you have also recognized the cosmopolitan atmosphere here. People speaking different languages and coming from different parts of the country have been living here in friendship and cooperation. An Indian farm any part of India feels at home in Karnataka. The people are hospitable and friendly. We have a fine record of management labor relations. The present strike of employees of public sector factories in the state is due to certain unusual factors. Normally, labor here is helpful and cooperative. I need not remind you of the enviable climate of Bangalore and of several parts of the state. We are within easy reach of important places in the neighboring states. Several places in the state are linked by rail and air services with all parts of India. We have also a master plan to improve rural communication. Transit of raw material and finished goods is therefore not a problem here. Karnataka is rich in natural resources. We have vast mineral resources. The variety of forest wealth offers excellent opportunities to the entrepreneur. We are also fortunate that we have several harbors. The state also has an excellent scientific and technological infrastructure. We have several institutions of all India importance like the Indian Institute of Science, the Indian Space Research Organization, National Aeronautical Laboratory, and the Indian Institute of Management. Skilled manpower is available at all levels. We have a large network of technical training institutions. The best qualified and the best trained technicians are available within the state. In fact, the industrial progress of the state bears rich testimony to the wealth of natural and human resources available here. Sophisticated industries like those of aircraft, telephone, electronics, machine tools, and electrical equipment are located in Karnataka and have been flourishing most satisfactorily. This state has a long tradition of industrial development. We have been doing everything to encourage industries. A wide and firm industrial base has been created. We have created an air cargo complex, an inland container terminal depot is being established in Bangalore. We have identified many taluks as backward and entrepreneurs in these taluks are entitled to certain concessions and incentives. We are also offering incentives to any pioneering industry established in those taluks with an investment of rupees 3 crores or more. You have probably heard that some time back we had some difficulty with regard to power supply. Fortunately, our difficulties were short lived. We have a number of hydel projects on hand. These are bound to improve the power position in about a year. We are associating the private sector with power generation. I am confident that very soon we shall tide over our difficulties and industries will be assured adequate power supply. To experienced captains of industries, industries like you, I need not say much, but I would like to illustrate my remarks about our industrial potential. I should first mention the silk industry. The possibility of the establishment of a refinery at Mangalore is quite bright. It should therefore be possible to establish downstream petrochemical industries. There is considerable scope for the establishment of textile spinning mills. The deepening oil crisis makes it necessary for us to identify other sources of energy. Industries therefore can consider the production of industrial alcohol and establishment of alcohol-based petrochemicals. All the components needed for the automobile industry are manufactured in the state. The electronic industry has been flourishing satisfactorily. Therefore, more labor incentive electronic units can be set up. As you are aware, the government of India has decided that any 100% export oriented industry anywhere in the country will receive certain benefits. Karnataka offers the most tempting opportunity for setting up 100% export oriented industries. Entrepreneurs are most welcome in Karnataka. I believe that your setting up industries in the state will be mutually beneficial. The state government, for its part, offers several incentives. It will consider steps to meet the requirements of entrepreneurs. The officers of the department will be glad to discuss any proposals and projects you may have. We would also welcome suggestions for the establishment or expansion of industries here. As I said earlier, we, the government and the people of Karnataka, and industrialists and entrepreneurs from outside are all partners in promoting the prosperity of the country. I hope you will find welcome opportunities in this state. I also trust that in the near future, you and we shall be working together in the sphere of industry. Once again, you are welcome to this state. I hope you have enjoyed your stay here. I hope you will come back as entrepreneurs and friends and as our guests. I thank you all once again for giving me an opportunity to be with you today.